Luscombe Suzuki Leeds are proud to be able to present to the market this beautiful special edition Suzuki Swift Attitude with 2,132 miles on the clock. It's got a manufacturer's warranty until January 2023. This special edition is finished in bright red, and being the special edition, it's got a carbon fibre body kit. As you can see, the front splitters in carbon fibre effect, and also the side skirts in carbon fibre effect, and upgraded alloys, so you get the two-tone alloys, making the car stand out in the crowd. It really does look fantastic. I've had a good look around the alloys and around the body kit of this car, and it is in superb condition. Moving around to the rear, you've got tinted windows, and once again, part of the Attitude kit, it's got a body coloured rear spoiler and rear carbon fibre effect diffuser. All Luscombe Suzuki cars come fully serviced by our trained technicians for your peace of mind. Let's have a look inside the car. So when you open the door, you're greeted with an airy interior finished in black and grey cloth. Looking at the front of the car, on the dashboard you've got a cream effect trim. Further down you've got the 7-inch touchscreen multimedia display. The multimedia display houses the DAB radio, Bluetooth audio streaming. The car also offers Apple Carplay if you've got an Apple phone, or Android Auto if you've got an Android based phone. Looking down, you've got your air conditioning unit, and below that your USB and your 12-volt outlet, down to the 5-speed manual gearbox select and your manually operated handbrake. Looking to the steering wheel, you've got auto headlights, your volume buttons. All in all, a fantastic, sporty looking car. Plug your Apple or Android phone into the car and you can stream your own music and take advantage of Google Maps on the screen. All in all, a superb example of a Suzuki Swift Attitude. I don't anticipate this car being here very long, so if you'd like to give it a test drive, then please do give us a call, 0113 271 2288. Thank you for watching the video.